Welcome back everybody. Today I'm doing a part 2 of dressing up as Harry Potter characters from things I have inside my closet. The first one will be right up here. Boom, boom, boom. This time I'm going to be dressing up as Fleur Delacour, Cedric Diggory, Victor Crumb. So you might notice a theme here. They're all from the 4th book. My gosh. I am beginning. So what I noticed is our whole costume's blue. Okay, so for this outfit, I took out a blue shirt. This one's actually a pajama shirt because I didn't have anything that sort of remotely looked like Fleur's, and this was the closest thing, and it was a pajama shirt. So it's got like this lacy texture that for some reason reminded me of Fleur. So that's the first thing that I've got. The second thing I've already got an idea for, and that is this lovely blue skirt. And that is because it's my only long skirt I have. So we go with this. Okay, something else I noticed is that they all have blue hats. And then I also took this beautiful hat. It was very, very extra and very sparkly. Yeah. Anyways. And so then I tied up the blue pajama shirt to, I don't know, look more flurry. That makes no sense whatsoever, but we're gonna go with that. Wow. So another thing I noticed while looking at the picture is that every single one of them has black tights on. So you'll never believe what we're going to do. We're gonna wear black tights too. So now it's hair time. Whoa, my hair is still wet from taking a shower. So she usually has like this small portion of hair like out. So it's sort of like my old fringe that still hasn't grown out, but it's like curly. For you Americans who actually talk American, a fringe is bangs. Wait, a fringe are bangs? A fringe is bangs. Somebody in the comments please tell me how you're supposed to say that. So I'm just gonna use this. I'm just gonna keep a few strands out here and then hike them up here. If that makes sense? That makes no sense. Then we'll pretend these are curly.
The champion for bow battens is Fleur Delacour. The winner is Mr. Diggory, who showed innate command of the bubblehead charm.
Okay, for Cedric Diggory, I literally just wore my only yellow shirt and some black pants. I didn't try very hard, okay? So I just tied up my hair and tried to make it slightly messier, which honestly isn't a very hard feat with my hair. It's always messy, but yeah. So that's what happened here. It didn't go very well. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a dramatic Cedric dying scene. I'm sorry. Dead. Rest in peace, Cedric. We never wanted you to go into the twilight. That was the best acting ever. You'd never be able to tell I was a theater kid. Okay, so that's what I'm wearing, so let's go change into that. Victor shark doo 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 doo, Victor shark doo 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 doo, Victor shark. Now looking at this, you're probably like, wait, Ariel, isn't that your skirt? And to that I answer, yes, madame, or sir, this is, in fact, a skirt. It runs in the family, apparently. My sister used to wear her skirts like this. And now, one thing I know is that red, apparently, affects attraction levels, and you know, I'm sure if I wore this out in public, like, everybody would love me, because like, who doesn't love people who wear skirts as shirts? Okay, so I'm also going to pull my hair back because he has like a buzz cut, and I don't have a buzz cut, so we're just going to deal with this as my buzz cut. You know what I find funny about this? I literally look absolutely nothing like Victor Crumb. Now for an intermission of me nearly snapping my ankle. What's even something that Victor does? Oh, I know he rides a broomstick. And then I decided that I wanted to dress up as Mad-Eye Moody as well, so this is my Mad-Eye Moody costume.
It's Mad-Eye Moody.
Alistair Moody? The Aura?
Aura? Dark wizard catcher. Half the cells in Azkaban are filled thanks to him. He's supposed to be mad as a hatter though these days.
So for the shirt, I just changed into the exact same thing. So for my Mad-Eye Moody costume, I wore all black. Okay, so I was going to wear like a trench coat thing, but I don't have my trench coat anymore because I gave it away. So I wore this brown blanket as like a trench coat / cloak sort of thing. You know what this reminded me of? Oddly, I know this doesn't make any sense, but it reminded me of this TikTok.
I'm a magician! No, Bill, you're Alakazam! Bill, you just squatted down. Dang it, Kevin!
Hope that was exciting to watch. Now let's turn into Mad-Eye Moody. Yeah, I look nothing like him. And then I used a kitty cat headband thingy-majiggy as an eye patch because it definitely looked like one. Yeah, I know I look nothing like Mad-Eye Moody, but I mean, it was worth a shot. I enjoyed doing that, even though it was odd, weird, and very weird. And I just wasted 2 hours of my day dressing up as random book characters. What an accomplishment.